How to create a Pinterest account. Creating a Pinterest account opens up a world of inspiration and creativity at your fingertips. Follow along with this quick tutorial to create your own Pinterest account and start pinning your passions today. Without any more ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, head into the Pinterest application on your device. If you haven't yet downloaded and installed this app, you can easily do it from your Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Once you open it, you will reach on this welcome screen where you need to enter your email address to continue, or you can also continue with Facebook and Google. So let's enter our email address. Once you enter your email address and tap on the continue button, you will get to this page where you have to enter and create a password. Make sure you have created or you create a strong password that no other can guess. If you wish to recheck, you can select the I button at the right corner and then easily recheck your password. Tap on the next button at the bottom and enter your full name on the section. Once you are done with that, tap on the next button again and then enter your birth date. Once done, select OK button and tap on the next button. Now select your gender, whether you are female, male or specify another. Once done, select your country or region, then tap on the next button. Pinterest will suggest interests based on your choices. You can select what resonates with you to personalize your feed. You can scroll down and then choose anyone you wish to. It must be at least 5. And tap on the next button. Allow Pinterest to send you notifications. Tap on Allow button. As you can see that we already have created account on Pinterest. Now you can dive into a world of endless inspiration. You can pin images and ideas to boards organized by themes that spark your creativity. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.